Hello guys, welcome back to my vlog. Please ignore the mess behind me. I'm literally in the last few days of moving out of my apartment. Today is September 15th and I'm moving out of here on the 17th. So we're down to the last few days and I really wanted to film like a last vlog in my space before I move out, but I just don't feel like there's a cute angle anymore. There are a few pieces of furniture that I've already sold, like obviously my rug. There's a few tidbits that are just missing. So my apartment is already looking empty, and then I got started on my kitchen. The kitchen is the worst part of packing because, oh, my stuff is all wonky. Let's see, can I make this straight? I forgot how to vlog, guys. Like, what is wrong with me? I haven't vlogged in so long. Is that straight? Okay. I think that's straight. Yeah, the kitchen is the worst part to pack because it's all really fragile stuff. You have to like roll it up in newspaper or some sort of tissue paper before you put it in the box. So that's taking forever, but pretty much all done. My entire room has been cleaned out and things have already left my space because I do have an announcement to share with you guys. I'm sure you guys can guess, but I'm moving out of my apartment and I'm going somewhere so exciting. I've been wanting to share this with you guys for a while. I just was waiting for the right moment, but by the time you guys see this vlog, you'll probably figure it all out. So my stuff has already left my apartment about 2 weeks ago and it's in my newest place. So I'm so excited. This lighting is beautiful. I'm gonna miss the sunset so much, guys. The sunset is just so stunning in my apartment building. You have this whole view. Obviously my blinds are up, and the higher you go, the better view you have. So originally, my first year at these apartments, I was on the 23rd floor, and guys, the view was stunning. If I can find some clips, I'll insert it here. But then I moved down several floors, 10 floors, and I came down to the 12th floor because it is a little bit cheaper. So the higher you go, the more you pay. So I came down 12 floors, and so unfortunately I have this office building obstructing half of my view, but nonetheless, it's still so gorgeous. The sunset is stunning and just there's so much natural light in this apartment and I love it for that reason. I apologize that I keep switching the angle, but I'm just trying to find a spot so I can sit down and do one last catch up with you guys in this place. I'm literally going through so many emotions right now because this apartment building and this whole era of like living on my own has been such a journey. This is what I call my growing single era because I feel like I worked so hard in corporate for a lot of years, and then I also, went through a whole like healing journey at home, divorced, and then I was like in this phase of like traveling, and that wasn't fulfilling me, and I wanted to try something different. I wanted to grow in a way that I could only do if I was alone and if I was independent, like out of my parents' home and out of like the hands of a man. So yeah, that's when I had moved, and I can't believe it. 2 years flew by. These 2 years have been some of the best years of my life because I have really come so far in terms of like learning about myself, growing in different ways, really pushing myself and finding so much happiness in who I am, and taking this time off has really, really helped me. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but like at least since the last year, I've been pretty quiet on my socials, and that's because I've just been really focusing on things that matter, like obviously my health and people that matter. And I'm just really excited to now be in a better place and take you guys along with me as I transition. So yeah, I will definitely be sharing a lot more with you guys. I'm so excited to share the new place. I absolutely love it. It's so different from what I'm used to, just the entire area. And it's just gorgeous and I'm so excited. And I know I keep saying that, but that's really how I feel. It's like so bittersweet. I'm so excited for what's to come, but at the same time, I'm like, I can't believe I'm leaving everything that I love behind. Like this place has so many good memories, but yeah, let me know how you guys are. I feel like I'm just rambling on, but I really just wanted this to be like a sit down, chit chat, catch up with me video, like super natural, nothing like edited, and kind of like a one take shot. I want this to feel like we're on FaceTime together because I know I fell off on YouTube really bad. I'm so sorry guys. I promise, inshallah, I'm gonna be filming a lot more content coming up. I just was in a place like where mentally I just could not get myself to film. And I feel like I'm gonna regret it because my place was so nice and I had so many opportunities to like share recipes in my kitchen and share with you guys like different parts of my apartment, from like the amenities downstairs and stuff, but I really wanted this era of my life and like kind of just like my apartment and the place I live to be more private. I really wanted to just keep it to myself, and I found a lot of happiness and fulfillment in that. Like I just feel like not everyone needs to know everything, and that's what I've learned a lot this year. And like it just feels so good to keep some stuff to yourself and let people wonder if they want. It just feels amazing. So anyways, I think I'm done rambling. I love you guys so much. If you guys have any questions or anything, leave them down below. Also, oh my God, I will be sharing so much content on my Instagram coming up. So if you guys want to know where I'm moving next, what's happening next, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. That is the first place that I will announce everything, because obviously, like, I feel like, is it my biggest platform? I don't know. It's the place that I started. It just makes more sense, and it's so much easier to share stories versus like a whole video, because this requires like editing and posting and all that. So hello guys, I'm officially in my new city. So if you haven't watched my Instagram yet, I moved to Atlanta, which is so crazy because I have never lived anywhere in my entire life except for Houston, Texas. I was born in Chicago, but like I pretty much grew up in Houston from the age of 4 months. But yeah, I'm in a new town. I'm really excited to be here. It's my first week here, and I got sick, so please ignore my voice. But I'm so excited to be exploring the city and what it has to offer, all the beautiful places. I'm especially excited for fall. I'm just now realizing how deprived I was of scenery and just like the beautiful outdoors in Texas. Like we just don't have a lot of greenery or hills or anything of this sort. So yeah, I'm really excited to be exploring Atlanta. I'll definitely be sharing new spots and places with you guys. And if you guys are from here, definitely leave some recommendations of where I can go, nice areas, coffee shops, and all of that. Okay, I found this little corner so I can sit down and give you guys a proper update, because I just didn't want to leave this video on a cliffhanger note and just like drag it on. But I got married, which is so weird but so exciting. I have so much to share with you guys, which obviously I will be sharing in the upcoming videos. Everything from the wedding, the planning of the wedding, obviously my husband. I will be doing a grand reveal if you haven't already seen it on my Instagram, and just sharing married life, because this is a very exciting chapter for me, and I want to just give you guys hope if you guys are in a similar situation as me, or went through or are going through a similar situation. I shared my divorce story, and now I want to give you guys hope that there are good people out there, and with the right timing, things fall into place. So it's so exciting. That's why I moved to Atlanta. My husband, I was going to say my fiance, I'm so used to saying that, but my husband lives here. So I moved out here, and yeah, I'm just so excited to explore Atlanta. What else? We're actually sitting at a coffee shop right now, and I was editing this vlog, and I'm like, wait a second, no, I have to give an update. I don't want to just like leave this video and not tell you guys a little bit of something. I was just gonna keep it a surprise and have a second video. You guys have been so sweet over on Instagram. Thank you guys so much for all the love, support, duas, and well wishes. My husband and I have been so grateful reading the comments and all of that, and so many of you guys have messaged me. So yeah, if you guys live in the Atlanta area, let me know of places that I should check out. And yeah, I went to Juma for the first time a few days ago, and I met a couple of you guys, which was so weird because in my own hometown, obviously I like know of a lot of people. So when people come up to me, I'm like, oh, I've seen you before, and it's like, nice to meet you again. But this time it was different because I don't know anyone here. So yeah, I guess I'll show you guys my ring. I have it on backwards. I have my ring, which my amazing husband designed. Got it custom designed from some jewelers in Miami. Obviously, I told them what my style was because I was really picky about my ring. I wanted the band to be super thin. I wanted a 1.7 millimeter band because I think it just looks really dainty, and I have skinny long fingers, so I really wanted that. And I really wanted a gold band, so this is 18 karat gold. And then I wanted the diamond size, a specific size, so that is exactly what he did. And then I wanted a band that was not matching, so it kind of gave it a little bit
and more characters. So that is the ring. Yeah, I'll give you guys some more updates in the next video. I just wanted to close this out. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video.